Hey guys, I present to you a technical indicator that works as a ready-made trading strategy on an all-inclusive basis. And this system is capable of earning you a substantial profit. I'm not kidding. So let's go through everything step by step. This system is called Shgrubber, and it operates on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are the most popular platforms in the world. Personally, I use it on classic currency pairs in the Forex market, although I'm sure you can adapt it for other financial market assets. The profitability of this system is about 20% per month. With the help of Grabber, you can earn about now 500% per year. For example, if today you have about $1,000 of starting capital, then in a year you will have about $5,000 in your account. Now, more details on how it works. So guys, I have enabled the Grabber indicator in the MetaTrader 5 strategy tester. And I will try to explain to you how it works. So, this channel, the Grabber indicator, which has its levels according to the rules of Fibonacci mathematics. This is Fibonacci extension, and it gives us an understanding of when and where the price will reverse. Here we see that the quotes are moving. Now I will speed it up a little. And they go, for example, beyond the channel boundary. Now, they go beyond the channel boundary, we get a signal, and it closes here already inside the channel. Let's look at another trade. Here they went beyond the limits, a sell signal, and we close already inside the channel. This is all shown to us automatically. The indicator sends us push notifications, and we execute them on our mobile platform. Let's look at a few more trades. So the price fluctuates, goes out, we get a signal. And the trade closes, another trade closes. Let's wait for one more trade. Closing signal. One more trade. Some interesting one. So you understand how it works, and you no longer have questions about how you will use this indicator. Here's a buy signal and the trade is closing at the top. It's about to close. No, the quotes went back. The trade is still in the market. There it closed. In this way, the indicator gives us signals to sell and to buy. However, it doesn't always give signals in all. Not at all times when the quotes go beyond the channel, but specifically where they reach levels, whether overbought or oversold if you've already encountered Forex. This indicates that the price will reverse. Yes, sometimes we might miss a trading signal here, but there was no oversold condition, so we weren't sure that the price would reverse. But here there were oversold levels, and we consistently get this kind of profit. All of this is shown to us by the Grabber indicator on the price charts of the assets where we use it, and it sends us push notifications. That is, you can install Grabber on your home computer. Go to work and receive push notifications on your smartphone all day and execute all these trades on your mobile terminal. In this way, you can earn money with this system wherever you are. I also wanted to show you that Grabber also gives us levels where we can set limit orders so that if the price suddenly shoots up and goes against our trade, we can average out if we want. We can set limit orders here. In this way, we can take even more profit if the price does not follow our scenario. Guys, another benefit of the Grabber strategy. Every buyer receives a free super utility for trade automation. Guys, this is a smart utility that works like a semi-automatic trading bot. It will manage all open trades according to the Grabber system. You open trades manually, then this utility takes over these trades and closes them according to the rules of the Grabber strategy. In doing so, it will try to close them, these trades, with the maximum profits. My super utility supports several money management strategies at once. Firstly, it can work with just one trade, which will be super safe trading. Secondly, to achieve maximum profit, it can average out. Thirdly, it can operate using the martingale formula. Moreover, the smart trailing stop function, which is built into the utility, will allow each trade to be closed with maximum profit. As I mentioned earlier, within 1 month, you can earn about 20% profit annually. That will be about 500%. So after purchasing my super strategy grabber, you receive firstly a utility that will make your role as a trader significantly easier and your trading results substantially greater. Secondly, my step-by-step video guide in which I explain and demonstrate how to install and set up my grabber system. Thirdly, custom set files that will help you automatically configure my grabber strategy for trading on various assets. Guys, so that you never miss the trading signals of the grabber system, I have added push notifications to it. Therefore, you will be able to receive ready-made trading signals directly on your smartphone and trade through a mobile terminal from anywhere in the world. Guys, you have to try this, it's worth your time, and it pays off within just 1 to 2 days. Guys, to show you how simple and profitable it is to trade using the grabber strategy, I have made an entire video. In this video, I receive signals from the grabber system, make trades, and then close those trades, according to the rules of this strategy. This resulted in about 5 minutes of video material. The most important thing is that you will be able to see how I trade and earn using the grabber signals. And imagine how you could do it too. Enjoy watching.